Good morning, YouTube family. So I'm here unboxing this controller by Pioneer, coupled with Serato software. This is the software that it requires. I purchased this for a couple of reasons. I like the Platinum Edition, and also it has two USB ports that I can connect to laptops and do the transition from one DA to another without a problem. So I am currently unboxing it right now. So, I mean, wow, like all I gotta say is it's amazing. I haven't even turned it on yet, but this is how it looks like unboxing. It has your little, jog right here to load, do instant doubles, your pitch, fader, tempo, got these dices here. Oh, jump beat. Okay, it's like rewind. And then let's take a look at that back. Looks like it has master out XLR, master RCA, and then booth balance cable 1/4 inch to send a signal here, signal grounding. Then we have line if you want to put like turntables, CDJs, that kind of stuff. And then boom, right here, the two USB. The mic input is both XLR and 1/4 inch, and then power on and off. This thing does need to be powered. It needs to have its own power supply. I like that option too, because if you're, say something happens to your laptop and you need to keep the music going, this is not powered by your laptop, it's powered by a power source, so you can actually play music from your phone while you situate your laptop. It's, I don't know if you DJs, but I've been there where my laptop freezes or something, or it's too hot and I'm DJing because I live in Arizona, the computer freezes. So it's nice to have that option and just plug in your phone so you can keep the music going. So here it is turned on in its full functionality. I did have to install they give you this card and then you install the numbers. I'm gonna cover it up, but yeah, these are the numbers. You put where my thumb is at, there come these numbers, and then you install it here by going to Serato, and then it's gonna pop up my products, and this little tab right here is enter voucher code. That's where you enter that code from your voucher, and it will activate it, and then this thing will read with Serato, and voila, there you go. All the functionalities work. There's actually some functionalities in here that I don't know what it does, but I'll take the time to learn it on a separate video. But thanks for watching, and I can't wait to put it to play.